Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here tetraethyl benzene is given. You have to analyze the compound can give how many number of signals in the 13C NMR. Before finding the number of signal, you have to analyze any mirror plane or symmetrical elements present inside the molecule. If you look at blindly, you might commit a mistake, but if you rotate it, you can find the compound has mirror plane inside. The real fact is more symmetrical means lesser number of signals. The reason is the atom reflected in the mirror plane will be magnetically equivalent and have same chemical shape. So according to the fact, the compound only has 5 signals. Others are same, which is the reflection of one side. Due to the mirror plane inside, the compound has only 5 signals in the 13C NMR spectroscopy. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.